Okay, I've got my external walls now. I want to focus on my internal ones. P to use the line tool. With this one we can add to the corner point. If we want to have a straight line, we hold down Shift, put out and click. Okay, the issue is now that we're having a line that's the same thickness as our external wall, so we need to change that. So I'm going to click A just to get the direct selection tool to find that. And we want to go to our stroke, and we want to make our stroke width 1 millimeter. This issue here because we have done this line on the external and this one on the middle, it might not quite match up, so you might just need to move it up slightly. Just to make it line up and look a little bit neater. If you want to go ahead and do that to the rest of the spaces, if you do have spaces that are internal walls that are square, it might just be easier to use square tool, or again click and to resize it. Use the selection tool, which is V on your keyboard, to come in and adjust that and neat it up. With the walls, if you use a square tool and you decide, oh, this was meant to be an archway, or there was meant to be a walkway here, just go Command plus to zoom in, and we can just click C, which uses the cut tool here. We can cut there on that line and here on this line. Use the A for the direct selection tool to select just this spot and press delete, and there you go, you've got yourself an opening as well. You can do that to any of the lines anywhere if you need to change them. Again, if some of your walls or internal spaces are slightly different, you can then click on them and edit those shapes to make them nicer. Try to use these general tools or using solid shapes to make the curves. It does look a lot neater than trying to freehand them. Go ahead and put in the rest of your things, and I hope that helps.